Project communication management is a structured process that ensures project information is shared with the right people, clearly, accurately, and on time. It's so essential to project success that it's included in the Project Management Body of Knowledge, a global standard developed by the Project Management Institute. There are 3 core processes you need to get right. Each one helps you keep stakeholders informed and aligned. First, plan communications management. This is where communication goals, stakeholders, key messages, channels, and timing are clearly defined before the project begins. Second, manage communications. This is the execution phase, collecting data, creating updates, sharing them through the right channels, and organizing everything for future use. And the third, monitor communications. This involves tracking whether messages are delivered, understood, and acted on, and then making improvements based on feedback. Strong writing, speaking, and active listening skills help you align teams, manage expectations, and keep engagement high. Wrike helps with all of this thanks to real-time editing, @mentions, request forms, and integrations with Slack and Microsoft Teams. Try Wrike for free and read the full article for step-by-step guidance on all 3 communication processes. The links are in the description.